Good evening, students. Let me continue the chapter Interior of the Earth. The last class we were discussed about the plate movements and earthquake, causes of the earthquake and effects of the earthquake. Now let me discuss distribution of earthquakes. The earthquakes happen mostly very close region of volcanoes. Among the world, most of the incidents take place in Pacific region. The Pacific plates and continental plates meet each other particular place that is called Pacific Ring of Fire. Out of 100%, 68% happen here. Remaining 31% take place in the Himalayas belt in Asian continent and included northwest China. The remaining 1% of earthquake occurs in North Africa and Rift Valley areas of the Red Sea and Dead Sea. In India, the Himalayan region and the Ganga Brahmaputra valley are prone to earthquake. A number of earthquakes have been experienced in this region. The two incidents caused extensive damage, that is Uttarkasi in 1991 and Chamoli in 1999. A volcano is a vent or an opening in the earth's surface through which hot magma erupts from deep below the surface. The place which is like round-shaped hole, magma reach it, that is called vent. The molten rock material within the earth together with gases is called magma. After it rises to the surface, it is called as lava. Later, the lava and other material, when comes out from the earth, it deposits around the vent, then create a conical hill. The top of this cone is usually marked by funnel-shaped depression, which is called a crater. If the crater of a volcano is of great size and is shaped like a basin, it is called a caldera. The temperature increases as the depth increases at the rate of 1 degree Celsius for every 32 meters. There is also great pressure. At a depth of about 15 km, the pressure is about 5 tons per centimeter square of rock. Under these circumstances, the interior of the earth is in a semi-molten state called magma. For this pressure, the magma has the capacity to dissolve great volume of gas. Some gases are also combustible. This makes volcanic material burst forth through the weak spots in the earth's crust. The scientific study of volcanoes are called volcanology. The people who study volcanoes are called volcanologists. So the plates plays a vital role for the volcano activity in the world. Thank you, students. Kindly go through these videos and learn something. We will see in the next class.